Hi, everybody. I decided to try a new background. That is a camel behind me, I think. Anyway, this is for the C section of Algebra 1, and we're going to start with identifying equivalent ratios. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Is 1 to 2 equivalent to 10 to 20? And we multiply both parts by 10, and we get 10 to 20, so I'm going to say yes. Yes. And 2 to 1 and 11 to 10, that is no, because it has to be equivalent through multiplication rather than subtraction. 5 to 6 times 3 each gives you 15 to 18, so yes. 2 to 1, unfortunately this is backwards. If it was 1 to 2, then it would be 4 to 8. But this one is 2 to 1, so no. 19 to 8 and 2 to 1, of course not. 8 is not half of 19, no. 6 to 3, 4 to 2. Yes, this is true. They both reduce to 2 to 1. So if we reduce them, they are both equivalent to 2 to 1. So yes. 13 to 6 and 2 to 1. No, this is 12 to 6. Would be 2 to 1. So this is a no. 1 to 2, 5 to 7, no. 2 to 1, that's 18 to 9, and that's the only one. What? Oh, can't divide today. 22 and 11, sure enough. Okay, better pay attention this time. 3 to 4 and 1 to 3, no. 4 to 5 and 2 to 4, no. 3 to 2, we multiply by 5 and we get 15 to 10. We multiply by 3 and we get 9 to 6. We multiply by 7 and we get 21 to 14. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is the same as 1 to 2. So this one, and that is it. 16 to 12, divide by 4, and you get 4 to 3. It's always a good idea to write the reduced ratio down. When we multiply by 8, we get this one. When we multiply by 3, we get this one. And 3 to 4 is not the same. Has to be in order. 6 to 9 is the same as 2 to 3. This one isn't as obvious. If you multiply by 18, you get this one. Multiply by 5, you get this one. And we multiply by 12, and you do not get this one. Let's see, 2 times 21, and 3 times 21 is not 45, so that's good to go. 18 to 21, we divide by 3, and we get 6 to 7. Times 4 gives you this one. Interesting. Let's divide this one by 3. Divide by 3 and we get 27 to 42 divided by 3 is 14. And no reducing on that one. Let's see. Nope. And divide this one is no good because there's no way to get a 7 from 12. 24 to 20. Let's reduce it all the way. So divide by 4 and we get 6 to 5. Times 3 gives us 18 to 15. Times 8 gives us 48 to 40. And times 12 gives us 72 to 60. 10 to 8 is not reduced. We need it 5 to 4. Times 7 gives us 35 to 28. And that's it. (30 to 27) divide by 3 and you get 10 to 9. Divide by 3 is 9. Doubling it gives you 20 to 18, and times 9 gives you 90 to 81. (18 to 8 is 9 to 4, and times 3 is this one, and 9 does not go evenly into 78. If we multiply by 12, that is almost, but doesn't quite work. 16 to 18 divide by 2, which gives us 8 to 9, times 5 gives us that one, times 3 gives us that one, times 12 gives us that one. (9 to 5 is already reduced, 90 to 50, and it looks like that may be it. (2 to 10 is 1 to 5, times 7 gives us that one, and times 5 gives us that one. That's it. 7 to 4, if we divide by 2, and 6 gives, multiplied by 6 gives us that one, and it looks like that's it. (9 to 15 divide by 3, and you get 3 to 5. And if we multiply by 9, we get this one. If we multiply by 7, we get this one. And there's no way to get the other two. Okay. 15 to 20 is the same as 3 to 4. And multiplying by 4 gives us that one. Multiplying by 6 gives us that one. That's it. 16 to 6, we divide by 2, you get 8 to 3, which this one's backwards. This one is times 4, nope. This one is times 3, and that one won't work. 4 to 16 is 1 to 4. Times 5 will give us that one. Times 7 will give us that one. Sorry, that's 1 to 4. So if we can write it a little nicer, there we go. That's it. And divide by 3, and we get 5 to 7. Doubling gives us that one. Times 4 gives us that one, and that's it. We're dividing by 3, and we've got 4 to 7. Times 4 gives us that one, and that's it. And we're all done. Just have to reduce your initial ratio and then check your others by multiplication or division. That's